Hey guys, Mir here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you everything I crocheted in August of 2024. I crocheted so much this month and I cannot wait to show you everything. The first thing I made this month is this pumpkin bear. I love how he has a little pumpkin hat and his body is the pumpkin. Then I made a pumpkin spice bee. I made this using two different colors of orange and the little wings are supposed to be the leaves. My personal favorite thing I made this month is this pumpkin turtle. I also made a pumpkin cow, candy corn, a pumpkin pencil case, and you can actually open up the flap and there's all your storage for your pencils. I can't wait to bring this to church and store all my pencils in it. I also made this pumpkin AirPods case. I am so obsessed with this. And the last fall-related thing that I made this month is just this one oak leaf. I'm working on making a bunch of leaves to hang from my ceiling, and so far I've just made this one. As you can tell, I'm definitely ready for fall and to display all this cute decor in my room. I also made some non-fall related items, so let's go over those. I made these 3 chocolate-covered strawberries, and they each have icing decoration on them. I also made a pumpkin spice latte and my personal favorite, a matcha latte. These are so cute to display on my desk and I'm obsessed with them. And the last thing that I made this month is actually an order for my cousin. She ordered 6 crochet coasters. I put them together in this really cute packaging. I made the color combinations of green and white, orange and white, solid green, solid cream, solid orange, and solid teal. I think she's going to love these. That's everything that I made in the month of August. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more craft-related content, and if you want these patterns, let me know in the comments down below because I'd be happy to post a tutorial. That's all for now. Mir